In this section, we will explore the process of creating a new application group in MyAryaka portal. To get started, navigate to the left navigation bar and click on Smart Services. Under the Apps section, select Application Group. The current page displays all the existing application groups manually created by administrators. To add a new application group, locate the plus button on the top right side of the screen. Please note that this button is only visible to users with administrative privileges. Clicking the plus button opens a new section where you need to input the necessary details for the new application group. You will need to provide the following inputs to create a new application group. Name of the application group, enter a suitable name. Description of the application group, provide a suitable description. Next, application. In this section, you can add an existing application to the application group. To add an application to the group, click the Add New icon on the right, which will open a new dialog box. Here, you can search for an application by its name or manually select one. Note, it is possible to add single and/or multiple application to the application group. Once you have selected the desired application or applications, click Add Selected. And all the added applications will be listed under Application section. Finally, click Submit to save the changes. The Aryaka platform's application group feature allows you to group multiple applications and configure traffic steering at single or multiple sites. This approach provides flexibility, a holistic approach, and unified traffic control steering policies, ensuring efficient traffic handling capabilities. In the upcoming section, we'll delve into various scenarios illustrating the configuration of applications for traffic steering tailored to meet specific requirements. Thanks for watching.